Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Happy Independence Day. So, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Grammar, we are going to learn about substitution words. Before this in English for Grade 1, I have already taught you about substitution words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to distinguish between and use substitution words. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ikhlas, verse 1 till 4, say, He is Allah, who is one, Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to him any equivalent. Yes, my dear students, what these beautiful verses tell us, that there is only one Allah. Allah is one, and there is no one equivalent to him. Beta, Allah is one and the only, and whatever we get is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who blesses us. So whatever we need, whom should we ask? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should make dua to Allah. Now, my dear students, look at this. We have written He. He is Allah, right? Again, this He is referring to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So instead of writing Allah, Allah, Allah all the time, we have written He. So what such type of words are called? We have learned it in Grade 1. Do you remember? Okay, then tell me, what are substitution words and what are subjective substitution words? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered that we use substitution words to replace the naming words in sentence to avoid repetition and keep it clear for people. So beta, what happens? Basically, we know naming words. Everything around us has a name. So when we write or talk, we don't say or write naming word again and again. First we write naming word, then instead of naming word, we use some other word to replace it, and that word is called substitution word. Do you understand? So let's see, how do we do it? Saba reads in class 2. Okay, now Saba is a girl. So in second sentence, instead of writing Saba again, because she is a girl, so we will replace her name by this word she. She is an intelligent girl. So we should be careful, because we are talking about a girl, we are writing about a girl. That's why we will replace her name with she. Right? Now in the second example, Ahmad is a nice boy. Now this is a naming word, we know. In second sentence, instead of writing Ahmad again, we'll use he likes to help others. Now this he is substitution word for Ahmad. And why we have used he? Because Ahmad is a boy. So when we replace a girl's name, we use she as substitution word. And when we replace a boy's name, we use he as substitution word. Understand? Okay. So the next example is, the goat has 4 legs. It has 2 horns too. Now, my dear students, this it, we use it for thing category, and I told you thing means living and non-living both. here the God is naming word, and in second sentence we have replaced this naming word with a substitution word, it, right? So it means, here it means God, all right? The parents look happy. They love the baby. Now parents is naming word and we have replaced it with they because they are plural. So the third person plural is replaced by they, substitution word they, right? Okay. You are late. So instead of saying your name when I'm talking to you, I can use a substitution word you. Okay, all right. We are baking cupcakes. Now we are many, so instead of telling all the names Amna, Asad and Umar, I'm saying we. It means it represents when we are me and a few of my friends as a group. So instead of telling their name, I have used a substitution word we, right? Okay. I am happy. So instead of saying my name, I'm saying I'm happy. So it's a substitution name for my name. Substitution word for my name. Are you clear? Because this is how, now we know about substitution words, and this is how we select a substitution word. For a boy, it's he. For a girl, it's she. For a thing, either it's living or non-living, it's it. For us, more than one, it's we. For more than one, they and I. This is how we use substitution words. Are you clear? All right. So I'm going to check you through an activity, and what the activity is, we are going to play a game, and in this game what you will do, students get a stack of cards with substitution words. Okay, teacher will write substitution words on card and will give a stack of cards to students. Substitution words are written on them and they have to work into conversation. So one group, for example, they will get the substitution words and they will use these words I, we, they, he, she, it in their words in conversation. Teacher will keep watching, keep listening. Are they using the correct substitution words? So pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So have you used all the substitution words correctly? Good job. You are smart. Now we are going to practice it from your book. What you have to do, you have to rewrite the below story in your notebook. So here is a story. You will rewrite it and replace the underlined words. The underlined words are naming words, so you will have to replace it with the respective substitution word. Okay. So wherever a naming word has been underlined, you have to replace it with a substitution word and write the story again in your notebook, right? Pause the video, complete this task in your notebook and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write 10 sentences using substitution words. It's a subjective substitution word, and here I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do? Here are substitution words given in list. So you have to use correct substitution word according to pictures, and likewise you have to replace the naming word with substitution words. So this is your task. What we have learned today, we learned to distinguish between and use substitution words. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.